Hi everyone, this is Ian from Millington Custom Software, and here I'm going to show you a basic overview of our GPS trackers and an easy way to put them into a vehicle if you've got a more recent vehicle. Here's one of our basic trackers. It's a version which requires a hardwired source of power. We do also have battery versions, but this is the most common version we distribute. And this one here, this is the device here. It's the GPS receiver, and over here that's an OBD port. So we've mated it to an OBD connector so it can get power from the car's OBD system. And I'm going to show you this on my wife's vehicle, a 2009 Saturn Vue. And to make this easier, I've just actually removed a couple of the trims to expedite this. But the OBD port in most vehicles is in the footwell of the drivers, where the driver sits, and there it is in this one. So when we're installing one of these, what I typically do is remove a little bit of the trim. Let me just grab the device. And then I'll get the device and route it in behind the trim like this. And then a way that typically I find works pretty well is to sort of feed it up in this gap behind the in the door, where there'll be a rubber seal goes over this afterwards. And then what I do is when it's mostly in there, I generally find there's a bit of space up above the headliner. I just kind of pop it in there, and surprisingly that just about always gets pretty good GPS signal. So then I'll finish installing that wire up on in that little channel, and this device is then ready to go. It's installed once I've reinstalled obviously the trim and the seal. So that's a basic how-to of how to put in one of our devices in a vehicle with OBD-II. I hope you find it useful.